Look at that. There are some nasties being emitted from these LED light bulbs. Look what the spectrum analyzer shows right when I turn off the lights. Now, thankfully, ATSC 3.0 has the option to operate in these conditions perfectly fine. And there are two main ways that it can achieve this. One is with something called time interleaving, and the other is something called lowering the minimum threshold SNR. With time interleaving, basically ATSC 1.0 has little to no time interleaving, but ATSC 3.0 has 4 options: none, convolutional time interleaving, hybrid time interleaving, or extended time interleaving. Lowering the minimum threshold SNRs by lowering the modulation and code rate required for a particular PLP would also help, because it would ensure that the minimum threshold SNR doesn't have to be as high. All I can say is I hope in the future I won't have to worry about impulse noise.